everyone, welcome to our Canada Day vlog. At this point in the day, I was still too asleep to properly introduce the vlog, so voiceover it is. We have a big day planned, but as you can see, we are just starting off with a nice breakfast and getting ourselves ready to start the day. Already into the dirt. Your nice white outfit. All right, we're a little bit more awake now. We are actually down at my parents' today because we normally spend Canada Day, thank you, with them at Algonquin Park, going for lunch and a hike. Thank you very much. Picking Nana and Papa's flowers. But with everything going on, we've decided to stay more local today. But we have a fun day planned. We're gonna go for a bike ride now, I think, before it gets too hot out, and then watch your step. And then we'll have an afternoon of swimming. And what else are we doing today? Oh, we're gonna take Mila for her first canoe ride. So stay tuned for our day. See what else we get up to. Watch your step there, kiddo. You're making me very nervous. Wants to do it on her own. You ready? Moly, it's hot already, and it's like 9 o'clock. Well, kiddo, is it nap time? That's a yes.
Purple, purple, red, yellow, garage.
All right, we're gonna get her down for a nap, and then I might even rest myself because that was pretty tiring. She's saying, I'm awake from my nap. Jenny, wake up and play with me. Yeah. Yeah. Bye, Jenny. Mila's helping to make the smoothie. Put it in. Classic. Sure, why not? Want your Canada flag? Time for a swim. You going in for a swim, Mila?
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another course and we can fly with the baseline.
Papa went inside. I guess we thought our day wasn't active enough, so we thought we'd have a walk.
He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the battleship. So come to 10, then again, Mississippi.
Hey guys, it's a little bit later. Mila has had her nap. We are just waiting for dinner to be ready. So we're hanging out on the slide, checking out the rocks. Probably pick more flowers. 1, 2, 3! Looking for chipmunks? This girl loves rocks. 1, 2, 3! Blowing kisses.
Hi.
Hi. The grill master. That looks good. Let's go, first canoe ride. Dad doing all the work. Alright friends, I'm going to leave it at that for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed following along with us for our Canada Day celebrations. We had a lot of fun and it was a pretty active day, so I think we're all going to sleep really well tonight. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Have a great day and I will see you in the next one.